Unlike Huawei, who also is going a very wild way here. Huawei's new folding phone is lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So that Huawei's Mate X3, which was just shown off released, is extremely thin and light, and they're going back to a Samsung style folding phone. Their last couple generations have been more of the one display fold over. This is more of a book style display, if that's helpful at all. It'll have a 6.4-inch cover screen that unfolds to 7.85 inches, weighs in at a 239 grams. The Pro Max is quite literally 1 gram more at 240. And the Samsung Fold 4 is 263 grams, so quite a bit heavier than either of those devices. But the X3 matches the the Galaxy Fold 4 in multiple respects, including its stop-free hinge, where you can basically use the phone and set it up in any direction like a laptop, and its IPX8 water resistance, which is your 1 meter water resistance at a half hour. Pretty impressive. Again, not seeing dust resistance on these devices, which if you drop your phone in some dirty water, goodbye phone anyways. Approximately in the US, this will cost about $1,895 for the 256 gigabyte model, which is releasing in May. This is sweet. I'm excited to see. It's too bad Huawei can't operate in the US because it'd be cool to see one of these folding phones. Not that I need my phone to be lighter. The Fold 4 it's a chonk, but it's not too bad. It'd be cool to see just other options that are out there though, and would work here. This phone will also be one of the first ones to support satellite connections, so when you don't have cell service, you can use satellites, which is also a great thing to have when you are using your phone in remote areas, which I suspect most people that are buying a folding phone probably aren't. But you have the feature, I guess. It's there if that's what you're doing with it. I suppose in some places it might be nice, but not here. But it's cool to see that these phones that are much bigger than the iPhone 14 Pro Max and offer you way more are less weight than it. Like, how long do these come down in price? I mean, if it comes down in $300 in price, I mean, that's just if it comes down $300, you're at the Pro Max. You might not be able to get as much storage as a Pro Max at that price, but you're right there. You're so close that folding phones are they're gonna get there so fast. It's gonna be so wild to see.